Let me show you how to convert your images from a .jfif extension to a .jpg extension. Now, JFIF stands for JPEG File Inter-Exchange Format, right? So let's say I come into a website like Pinterest and I want to download a particular image for a project. I come right here to where I have the three dots and I click download to download my image. Right, now this is the image I just downloaded, and as you can see right here, it clearly shows .jfif extension. Now if I make an attempt to open this file in Photoshop, you're going to see that it's not going to give me the option to import it into Photoshop. As you can see right here, there's no Photoshop option to this. So the first option is to open this in Microsoft Paint. So I'm going to click open and open in Paint. Then I'm going to go to right here, I'm going to go to where I have file and I'm going to go to save as JPEG. Okay, come to where you have your view tab. I'm sure if you're using a Windows 10. So under your view tab, make sure you have this option checked, right? File name extension should be checked. Now you come back to the particular document, right? So I'm going to right click and you're going to select rename. Now, so it's going to give you the option of renaming your file. So I'm just going to change it to Easter. Let me just change it to Easter background, and I'm going to change the extension to a .jpg and hit enter. Now it's going to ask you that, like, are you sure you want to change the file extension? Just go ahead and click yes. And as you can see right here, the extension has changed from a JFIF extension to .jpg. So if I make an attempt to open this in Photoshop, let's see if that's going to pop up. I'm going to go with open with. So as you can see right here, it brought up the option to open in Photoshop. Right, so these are the two easy ways that you can use to convert your files, your images from a .jfif extension to a .jpg extension. So if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials. See you in my next video.